Alright, so it is now 6:30, and me and my dad, if I can get the door open, are on the way to Joliet for a little bowling tournament. It's always fun when you have to go to 6:30 in the morning, isn't it? 6 in the morning. Need the address? Need the address?
We will.
Okay.
I gotta go get my addiction though.
What's your addiction for today?
Nice.
That's your choosing for the day? I thought your addiction was usually Mountain Dew in the morning.
That's nice.
Nice.
Alright, so tell your watchers what your steps are today.
Alright, so my steps that me and my dad, my coach, figured out for Tuesday was that I had to slow down. I have to hold my ending pose, which I'll show you all you guys this later when we get to the bowling alley and we get some footage of me bowling. But it's for slowing down and walking, holding my pose, looking down to where I finish, because where you finish is really corresponds to where your ball is going to go. And then the last one is to just throw outside, hit my mark.
If you need to, yeah.
If I need to, yeah. Alright, so the funniest thing just happened. We just now got on the highway and this boy just gets his speeding warning.
I did.
We were on the highway for 2 seconds and you get a speeding warning. I don't even do that. And I have lead foot.
Yeah, you should have left it.
Just happen to do it.
You pay a $200 ticket.
No.
The good part is you wouldn't have to pay for the attorney this time. That is the biggest ball I've ever seen.
There she is, guys. That's where I'm gonna be bowling at today. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got checked in and go ahead and forgot my payment and stuff in the trunk with my bag. She's there. Jesus, they were rolling in. Speed like they're gonna kill something. Jeez. People need to slow down nowadays, don't they? So, out of all the stuff I needed from home, I had my bowling stuff, had my shoes, had my little red bag. I had everything. Everything but one little thing was my headphones. I was like, damn it, I forgot my headphones. So I'm like, Dad, can you possibly go ahead and grab me some? He's like, yeah, sure. There he is. Just plug right now with the headphones, aren't you?
Always an adventure.
Always an adventure. Got my headphones.
10 miles that way.
Uh-huh.
Ended up having to come back here right across the street.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of fun.
They were $1. I hope they sound awesome.
It says high quality sound, so who knows how high quality $1 can be.
We'll find out.
I guess I'll find out.
I won't fit your little ears.
You don't want to talk. Did you already finish your NOS too?
Oh yeah, it was gone.
Lane 11. Lane 11. Alright, so I'm bowling on a 44-foot pattern, is that correct?
45.
45. Alright, so tell everyone what the difference in the lane is. So since I'm bowling on a longer pattern.
Since it's a longer pattern, the ball will go down the lane longer before you'll see any reaction. So, no ball.
No ball still.
And then the $1 guy rang me up and walked away. So I had to grab my own receipt and my own bag.
So you reached over the counter, your long arm did that?
Well, look, right there. Okay. Hustle like Russell.
Probably so many people looking weird at me, but I don't care. Alright, so now it's 1:46. I gotta be at work by 5. He said it's fine if I'm a little late. But I mean, I should have just finished it. I mean, I just got done with my 6th game and they haven't got all the scores put in yet. but after 5 games, I was in 3rd on one side of the bracket, and then, well, not bracket, but standings, and then on the other one, which is Junior Gold, which is a big tournament, I was actually leading that. So me bowling how bad I did for the last game really isn't really gonna help me at all. But it was good bowling here. It's time to go home and everything. Okay, I'm on my way home now, and for one side, I did really good on my first 5 games, and then on the other hand, I did terrible my lowest game, which was a 150 grip. Yeah, 150. Okay. So on what would you call it?
After game 4, you were in 3rd.
Okay.
After game 5, you were in 4th. And after game 6, you were in 6th.
I was in 6th. So at the end of the tournament, I was in 6th place.
But the worst one is the Junior Gold that you could have won.
Alright, so tell people what happens if I would have won the Junior Gold today.
You would have went to, where's it going to be at?
It's actually going to be in Dallas this year.
Dallas, Texas. Instead, he just took his parents' $50 and threw it down the gutter of his 6th game. What happened on the 6th game?
Like you said, my lower arm got tired. I couldn't handle 6 games.
And I said I couldn't even imagine bowling 6 games. So he did great. He listened the whole time. So yeah, he did good.
Right, Mila?
And a large root beer, and that'll be all.
867 first one then, please.
Thanks.
That guy was loud. So now we're getting the lunch champions right now. What do we have?
I am. You're eating like a bird.
Hey, birds are nice creatures.
Yeah. Hello. Speaking of bird, she is.
I like your tattoos.
When you grow up, you'll get some too.
Yeah.
Not.
Yeah. Well,
It hurt too bad.
oh, shut up.
Thanks.
That's what Mom says. She's like, "You're gonna get a tattoo when you're 18?" I'm like, "Probably." She's like, "Your little forearms won't be able to take it." She's like, "You're too skinny."
Okay.
The other one is prepared.
All right.
I'm sorry, I'm vlogging. I didn't mean to.
You're good.
What'd you do? Shoot her in the
Yeah.
as a picture?
I meant to get you.
Prepared.
She's okay with it. You're doing what with her?
I went like this to try to get you, and she was in it too.
And on the red sheet girl,
No. Why? No.
she had sores on her.
You gotta make the things weird, don't you?
Oh!
There was a hole. Woohoo! Alright guys, here she is. Here's my work, 5 to 9. On to 9.
Wings.
Etc.
Trying to hit me with this nice ass car?
No, you know. We had to get your attention so you could be on the video.
That's alright. What's up with this video?
It's a vlog.
Oh, it's a vlog? Alright.
Vlog up.
Well, check out. Check it out.
You got to. You should.
I got a dog mom shirt.
Nice.
Because there's a little puppy.
I have a puppy, yes. He's adorable.